Hey, welcome to the channel, More Dirt, More Distance. I'm finally ready to name the Gladiator, so I want to walk you through the steps of how I found the graphics business, pick my font, and we're going to go ahead and get the installation done and see how it looks. I googled Jeep name sticker and it came back with so many results. There's a ton of companies that are doing these. I ultimately ended up in the Etsy store. As I was scrolling through all the businesses, they all basically operated the same way. The only real difference is the variety of vinyl and fonts that they offer. I knew I wanted silver, which is very common. What I was most concerned with is finding just the right font. I ended up picking Sidewindergrafix because of their variety of fonts. They have a nice selection of colors. Three sizes to choose from. I went with a 25-inch. What caught my attention is how you select your font. They tell you to go to Dafont.com. I didn't know what that was, so I checked it out. The site has just about any font you can think of, which was great. I knew I wanted a Western theme. They had 14 different pages of Western style font to choose from. What I really liked is that you could put your name into the site and then it would show you that name in all the varieties of font. That really helped me in making my selection. Once I picked my font, I submitted my order. Now let's see about getting this installation done. Before starting to apply the sticker, I tested various locations. From the hood latch to the back of the hood is 36 inches. The hood tapers down at the front, so I decided not to center it. I put a tape where I wanted the sticker to be placed at the back of the hood. There's a QR code that takes you to the graphics business installation video. It's important to start with a clean hood, so wash it and wipe it down with alcohol. Spray the area thoroughly with water. There are two sides, the transfer tape and the backing paper. Slowly peel away the backing paper. Spray the sticky side with water. Place the decal on the hood. As long as the hood and the decal are wet, you can measure and reposition. Grab your squeegee. Use a squeegee to push out the excess water and bubbles. Now slowly pull away the transfer tape. Dab off the excess water. Examine the decal for any bubbles. If you find any, use a squeegee to remove them. Let's see how it looks in the daylight. Well, that was an easy installation. It didn't require any tools. It took about 20 minutes. Definitely something anybody could do. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next modification.